You know, say broke in Jamaica if you have your teeth light.
You know, say you broke in a Jamaica if you and your dog happy fight for chicken back. Come here, doggy. Come here. Give me the chicken back. Give me the chicken back.
No,
come
no.
here. Come here.
You broke in Jamaica if you can't afford to go to movies, not even for 2 for 1.
So, you're broke in Jamaica if you can't afford Kool-Aid, so you have to mix sugar and water.
Broke in Jamaica if you can't afford bug juice, you have to make your own.
Listen, you're broke in a Jamaica if you can't afford kiddies meal at Burger King or KFC.
So, you're broke in Jamaica if you have to eat in food Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. When you're supposed to eat rice and peas and fried chicken and pork, you only have teen food. You only have teen food.
Yuh Bruk.
You broke in Jamaica if you can't even push cut. Cut!
Boy, you know, say you're broke in a Jamaica. You can't even watch CVM and TVJ. Look there. Look there.
Girls, you broke in Jamaica if you have to go to a party free before 11. Free before 11.